If you like this video, crush that like and subscribe button like a monster truck. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. What is going on, guys? Spin Master Toys has sent us this awesome Monster Jam Fire and Ice RC. It's the Megalodon Fire. Check this thing out. It says it's a special edition. Let's check out the back of the box. Check it out. There's the regular Megalodon RC. They've got a Monster Mutt Dalmatian RC. And the Grave Digger. Check it out. It says collect them all. Are you ready to open this bad boy up, Mason?
Yeah!
Alright, let's open this thing up. Check it out. Here's Megalodon Fire out of the box. This thing is totally awesome. What do you think about it, Mason?
It's awesome! It comes with silver mode, a cool one. You can see a lot of fire.
Oh, you can see a lot of fire on it? Awesome.
And you can see some black. Them did a really great job. Spin Master, I like it better than anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Than cake, than cookies, than s'mores, anything. It just serves.
You like Spin Master better?
Yeah.
Wow. What kind of tires does Megalodon have?
BKT.
Yep, sure does. Check it out. The BKT tires, just like the real Monster Jam monster trucks. That's awesome.
We have the big side Grave Digger. That's going to be on our YouTube channel coming up soon.
Yeah, we've got the big RC Grave Digger, and we're going to do a video on it too.
And you have the white BK tires that it have like white.
Oh, it's got the white lettering, doesn't it? Yeah, that was totally awesome. So y'all be sure to check out our next video coming up with the big Grave Digger. Mason, what do you think gets this thing running? Do we need some gas or what do we use?
Batteries.
Batteries? You think we got some?
Yeah, I think we got the white kind. I don't know.
I'll go check. Now we're going to get some batteries for Megalodon and we're going to have an awesome freestyle event. All right, here's some of our freestyle track. Are you ready to go, Mason?
Yeah!
All right, go with it. Whoa, that was awesome. Are you going for the cup? Oh! This thing's awesome, isn't it?
I'm gonna get some big air.
You gonna get some big time air?
Oh!
Big wreck! Hang on, you want to wreck into this? You want to try to wreck into the 18-wheeler? You're going to wreck into the Monster Jam 18-wheeler. You ready for that?
Yeah!
Oh, you almost did a backflip.
Yeah!
Let me get something I can try to make the 18-wheeler stick down better, and you might be able to really do a backflip. Wouldn't that be awesome?
Yeah!
All right, let me get something real quick. All right, we got the 18-wheeler braced up, and maybe Mason can pull off a backflip with Fire Megalodon. You think you can do it? All right, let me get set up. Oh, back up and try that again. I think you can get a backflip in. Oh! Another big time crash.
I think I'll just get a little bit of speed on them.
Oh, so close.
I think I'll get a lot of speed.
You want to get some more speed, you think? Oh, I thought you had it that time.
Now I'm stuck. Probably back up to here. That will work.
get them. Hang on, let's put some more. Let's stack our cups.
I can do this because I've done this at school one time.
Stacking cups?
Yeah.
So just like the cup stacking challenge?
Yeah.
One more. Alright, you ready again?
Yeah.
Are you gonna try where he rides on the two wheels?
Yeah.
Son of a digger does?
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. Try it out.
Dude, it got a middle.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Try it again.
No!
You got it, didn't you? That was awesome.
I'm gonna get this big old ramp.
You going for the big ramp again? Uh-oh.
Yo, that was so cool. I'm gonna try to go backwards.
Are you gonna try to go up backwards? Oh!
Stop! Oh.
Nice! Oh, that was a nice one. Whoa!
I almost done a front flip. If y'all went to the show, like, it was on 15 or 17 that science and a front flip. He done wheel and then he done, like, he front flipped.
Really awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
You gonna do it again?
I'm gonna try to do a front flip because the front flips are awesome. Them
You
dangerous.
going for a front flip?
Yep, them dangerous too in real life.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah, them can break your neck and you go to the ER.
Oh man.
Oh,
Whoa!
we need to line it up good. No! You know when I'm working and like save it like this? I'm gonna try and do that if I can.
Oh, how they flip the trucks back
Yeah.
over? Oh!
It didn't work.
Do another wheelie. You good at the wheelies too.
Yeah, you just do like this and then you can't like do this or not do that. You have to hold it and then hit gas.
So you hold it and then you press the gas.
Yeah, you don't do this, you don't like do set up like this and then do it, you just go and do that. You hold it and then you do that.
You gotta figure it out, man.
A lot of cool things. I'm a big RC fan. I'm gonna tell you something. The new Monster Jam game is gonna come out soon. It's coming on out of summer, April, or May. Maybe May past.
I think it's in June, man. It's gonna be pretty awesome, isn't it?
Is June almost here?
No, we still got a little ways away, but it'll be soon. It's a new Monster Jam video game.
Yeah, I got free roam,
Yeah, it's gonna have free roam and everything.
donut competition,
It's gonna be called Monster Jam Steel Titans.
and we'll have wheel, two-wheel challenge.
And we will have a ton of videos for that video game. We'll have a bunch.
Animate trail modes if you drive.
Oh yeah, it actually does that. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Maybe pieces coming off.
Yeah, in the trailer it showed the pieces flying off Gravedigger.
Yeah, and if you do donut, it actually make a hole.
Into the ground?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be awesome. Oh, you're taking out the 18-wheeler. Spin Master makes the best Monster Jam stuff.
And I mean it.
It is the best, and all their stuff they make is just totally awesome. Whoa! Big time crash. Hey, we ought to get that slide and put it in here and try it out.
Oh
Yeah, let me get that slide real quick. All right, now what are we gonna do, Mason?
The slide.
We're gonna go down the slide?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a wheel and then I'm gonna do front flips. A big crash. I don't know if we can do a wheelie or not. What would you try?
Big time crash. Whoa. All right, guys, that's all for today. This fire Megalodon from Spin Master was totally awesome. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos,
Check out our channel.
yes.